Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am telling you everything that I bought in the Sephora VIB sale. If you want to see what I got, then just hang out. Okay, so Sephora VIB sale, spring sale, rouge, whatever. There's so many different levels. I actually made 2 orders for the Sephora VIB sale, the spring sale. The first order was more like skincare type stuff. Then I just was looking at my cart, waiting for the box to arrive and thinking, I didn't really buy any makeup. Poop. So I ended up making a second order to get some makeup stuff, so we'll get into that. This video might be a little later, I think, than other VIB haul videos, but it took approximately 10 years for my boxes to show up because quarantine, delays. I'm also on the East Coast, so I feel like the warehouses that Sephora sources from for the East Coast maybe were a little more stressed than the West Coast or Midwest warehouses. Anyways, it took forever. I wanted to make sure to wait until I got both boxes before I did the haul video so that all the things could be in one video. The first box came probably about a week ago, and I ordered it like the day that the very first day of the sale started. So that tells you how long it took for that freaking box to show up. It took forever. And then the second box was just delivered on Saturday? I'm filming this on a Sunday and this is going up on Thursday. So that tells you how long all this stuff took. So anyways, I have it all. So let's talk about it. Okay, so the first thing that I want to tell you about, this is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. This is the full 8-ounce size and it retails for $45. I love the original Sol de Janeiro cream in the yellow container. It's the Boom Boom cream. I got a travel size in a BoxyCharm and I totally fell in love with it. On my skin, the popcorny smell doesn't linger. It just turns into like a very sweet, yummy scent. So I got the full size, and the way I like to use this the most is straight out of the shower when your skin is still a little bit damp. Slather it on there and you have totally soft skin all day, because one of the main ingredients in here is fermented sugar, which is a natural humectant, drawing moisture to your skin. It's a miracle. Love it. Love this stuff. This is the Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This is the 50 milliliter size and it retails for $38. So I have talked about this a million times on my channel. I love this. This is my holy grail moisturizer. It's perfect for any skin type: dry skin, irritated skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, oily skin. It's amazing. I keep coming back to this. I love it. I love it. I love it. So there really isn't much more to say, is there? Next, this is very exciting. This is the Cica Rescue Kit from Dr. Jart. It retails for $42. And inside of it is, I'll show you, hang on. Okay, so you're getting the Tiger Grass Cream, the serum, the calming mist, and the color correcting cream for $42. These are all kind of smaller sizes, you know, like travel sizes. And it comes in this really surprisingly awesome zippered pouch. If one of these things works well, wouldn't it work well all packaged together? And I'll tell you, it does. It does. So I've been using this in my regular everyday skin, and my skin is textured, but as far as getting back to normal, it's nearly back to normal. It's just a little textured. So it's very gentle on irritated and upset skin, and it's just helping to like repair my skin barrier, which is the problem. I needed stuff to like really help it build itself back up, which is what it's doing. This kit, I'm not so sure if it's still available on Sephora anymore, but you can definitely get it on the Dr. Jart site directly for the same $42 price. So, okay, next up this is the Honey Savior from Farmacy. It retails for $34. You're getting a pretty large container. This is 1.6 ounces. So this is an all-in-one skin repair solve. It's not just for your face, it's for anywhere that you're gonna have some irritation. So cracked cuticles, dry lips, sunburn, bug bites, any skin woes. This is formulated with Farmacy's signature blend of honey, royal jelly, propolis. It will hydrate, heal, and soothe any kind of skin woe. So this is another thing that I picked up to help my face, and also kind of looking forward to the outside months. But I'm really excited for this, for the spring and summer. All right, next is Another Farmacy goodie. This is the Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. Retails for $48. This I picked up as kind of a replacement for another face oil because I really love face oils. They're really good for nourishing the skin and helping rebuild and hydrate and all those things. So I picked this up because the price point was maybe a little bit better and I wanted to give it a try because it seemed like the ingredients were pretty along the same lines. Not the same because Farmacy definitely has its own blend because there's honey, sea buckthorn, 5-flower oil blends. The fatty acid profile of the ingredients is high in linoleic acid, which is really good for rebuilding, skin barriers and hydrating and all that jazz. So, okay, we're just blazing right through all these products. Next up this is the Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum that retails for $65. You know, it's a lash serum. You apply it at night before you go to bed after you've done your whole skincare routine. You apply this like you would liquid liner, right? So right along your lash line, and it's gonna help promote lash growth. This is not the same brand that I've used before, but it works. It really does work. The key is consistency, so make sure that you're using it every night as directed. So when I was cruising Sephora and I saw this little container for about $30 less than what I paid for the other brand, I figured it was worth a try. So I will let you know if this works. I'm sure it will. So the next thing I bought is a tool. This is the Sephora Lash Fuse and Curl that retails for $12. Look at this torture device. Yeah. Okay, so what this thing is, it looks a lot like an eyelash curler, except you'll notice that the ends are open, and it will not only help fuse your false lashes to your lashes, but also give them a nice natural curl. And because the edges are open, you don't have to like worry about trying to stuff your lashes in. You just kind of open it up and slide it over. Pinch, 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 pinch. Done and done. It also came with 2 spare cushions because there's only a cushion on one side. See? Focus. Okay, man, I feel like I'm flying through this. There's not going to be any bloops. Except for when the thunder and lightning comes. I'm kind of just trying to fly through this because it's thundering and lightning and I don't want the power to go out. That would be tragic. Oh my god. This will come as no surprise. This next item, it's a standard. Okay, this is the House of Lashes adhesive. This retails for $9. What I normally like to get is the House of Lashes black. They were out of black, so I just got clear, which is also great to get. So the great thing about this is that the formula is latex free. So if you have maybe more sensitive eyes or have a latex or rubber allergy, this is the solution. It's also the stickiest lash glue in existence. I love it. This is the Velour Lash and Go Eyeliner and Lash Adhesive Hybrid that retails for $23. Oh, you heard me right. It is a lash, adhesive, and liner hybrid. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this little container. It's not little actually, it's actually very luxe and nice. The container is glass. And that is what the applicator looks like. It's a very fine point, so like, a liquid liner. And you would just apply it like liquid liner. And when it's wet, your lashes will adhere to it. When it's dry, it dries down matte and it looks just like a regular liner. Can you believe it? Now, I still put lash glue on my lashes, but I'm someone who uses lash glue on my eyes, so this was right up my alley. I used it today. I love it. Love it! So I'm gonna keep testing it and I'll come back to this. I'll tell you more about my thoughts, the pros and cons, but y'all, did you think I was gonna let this sale go without getting on this train? Work. No, this is the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush. This retails for $20 and this is the color Strawberry Dip. Look at it. Oh, she's so pretty. She's like a coral, just like a yummy pinky coral. So these are cream blushes. I was a little surprised at the size, but Kate the Great made a really good point that do we really need double this size of cream blush? No, I don't. I mean, it would take 10 years to get through it. Am I gonna get through this in 12 months? No. It's probably gonna take like 2-3 years. And that's if I'm using it like every day. Not gonna use it every day. Am I gonna love it? I guess we'll see. Okay, so these last 2 products have me feeling so bougie, so fancy. The first one, are you guys ready for this? Hold on to your butts. Hold on to your butts. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Sublime Perfection Concealer. It retails for $32. This is the color L2. I also have the color L5. Thank you, Michelle Wong. So Michelle sent me the L5 to try it because Kate had been raving about this concealer. She wasn't the only one raving about the concealer, and I really wanted to try it, and Michelle had some extras, so she graciously sent me this one. This one is a little bit maybe yellow for me, maybe a little too olive. Here, I'll swatch these. It's not that I was looking for something that was like gonna blend in so much, because I do like to use concealer under my eyes to brighten for sure. The color that I purchased, L2, this is L5, this is L2. So if I wanted something a little bit more natural, I just blend them together and then it's perfect. These containers, you hear that? Glass. Glass. Because mother is very fancy. So I will continue using this concealer in more than just my under eye area, and I will let you know how it works. Okay, last but not least, this is the Pat McGrath Labs Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Setting Powder in the color Light. This retails for $30. This packaging is ridiculous. Do we need all the sequins? Yes. Yes, we do. It's pretty much white. Okay, after you have set your makeup, then you would go under your eyes, especially with this powder on a brush, and it is like a total blurring effect. It's pretty amazing. This paired with this is kind of like, holy moly, could it get any fancier? So I'm gonna keep using everything that came in my haul, and I will let you know how I really feel about it after I've had it long enough to really form an opinion. But you know, this is just kind of a haul showing you the things that I bought. Everything that I purchased will be down in the description box with the price, with a link, so that you can check it out for yourself if you're interested. What did you guys get in your Sephora sales? Did you actually get any of the samples that you actually chose? I know Sephora's doing their best, okay? But when they say choose your samples, and then you choose your samples, and what comes is like not even kind of close to anything that you chose, why ask? You know what I'm saying? Like, if they're gonna give you what is available anyways, why are they asking? I just get so annoyed. Anybody else? Is it 1998? Did I get in a time machine? Who's wearing this? This is just a haul video. If you want to see reviews, proper reviews, or demos of any of these products, then please just let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I do really appreciate it. You guys are the best. If you're so inclined to share this video, do so. If you're so inclined to like this video because you like the video, then do that too, because it helps. If you want to see more videos like this one, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel before you leave today. I upload new videos here on YouTube every Thursday, and you can follow me on all of the other social channels. Not that I'm super great at any of those social channels, but I try. I try. I'll catch you next week in next week's video. Bye! It is raining cats and dogs right now. So if you hear it, it's nature. Woo, that thunder though. Come on, focus. Apply it like you would liquid lash and bitch, not gonna focus. Focus, you piece of crap. It's gonna like.
Guess that motherfucking therapy didn't work.
Alexa, pause. Boom, boom, bum, bum. Tomato, tomato. The description box down below. It's important. Everything you need to know is down there.